In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get started with a Jotform Enterprise account. Open your browser and go to jotform.com. Then sign in to your Jotform account. If you don't already have an account, create one before continuing. After signing in, click Enterprise from the top navigation bar to learn about Jotform Enterprise and its features. On the Enterprise page, click Contact Sales to begin the setup process. Fill out the contact form with your organization details, including your company name, contact information, industry, and team size. You can also describe any specific requirements such as advanced security, custom integrations, or dedicated support. Once you've completed the form, review the information and click Send Request. Jotform's enterprise sales team will review your request and typically respond within a few business days with pricing, available features, and the next steps to set up your enterprise account. After your enterprise account is activated, you'll be able to access enterprise features such as advanced user management, enhanced security controls, SSO, custom branding, and other organization level tools from your Jotform workspace. That's how to get started with the Jotform Enterprise account. Thanks for watching.